Landscaping is like exterior remodeling. To see the landscaping in 2D, click the Landscape tab. This includes everything that was placed in the design while working on the landscape plan. Some changes outdoors are more decorative, while others are more structural, like adding driveways, patios, fences, even changing the topography. Just like designing indoors, there's a selection of materials available, exterior paint, and of course, a plant library with over 4,000 plants. The plants are organized by category. Select a category to see its contents. You can hover over a plant in the preview bar to see its description. You can also type a name in the search field to search for a plant within the library. To place, simply drag and drop the plant into the design, either the 2D window or the 3D window. Try adding plants as a group using templates. Just drag and drop the whole group into your design. Deselect the group and then select individual plants in the group, delete, move, or change the plant. To see how your landscape will look over time, click the Grow button on the Landscape tab. From the Furnishings library, you can add gazebos, statuary, or any other kinds of objects to your exterior. A final render displays shadows cast from your landscape. Hover over an icon to access that component's tutorial video, or go to the Training Center for additional tips and help.